Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with SunTrust Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SunTrust Bank website or open the SunTrust mobile app. Look for the credit cards section on the home page. Browse through the various credit card options available. Select the card that best suits your financial needs and preferences. Click on the Apply Now button associated with the chosen credit card. You will be redirected to the online application form. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment information and annual income. Review the terms and conditions of the credit card. Check any applicable fees and interest rates. Indicate whether you are applying for individual or joint credit. Submit any additional documentation if required, such as proof of income. Once you have completed the application, review all the information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your application for processing. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your application has been received. Wait for the approval notification, which may take a few minutes to several days. If approved, you will receive an email or a letter outlining the next steps. Follow the instructions to activate your new credit card once it arrives. Sign the back of your card for security reasons. Set up your online account for easy management of your credit card. Begin using your new credit card responsibly, making timely payments and tracking your spending. Keep an eye on your credit card statements and monitor your account regularly. Utilize any rewards or benefits associated with your specific credit card. Stay informed about any special offers or promotions from SunTrust Bank. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with having a credit card from SunTrust Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.